So this is what it looks like when bikers go camping. So today I'll try to give you a bit of a brief overview of my new ride, BMW GS 1300. It's a 719 edition, special edition. And we used the off-road road to come here, which was a really tough road, but it was worth it. So a couple of things that we can highlight about this motorcycle. First thing, you have the key, which gives you the possibility to unlock it. It's kind of like a car. And by unlocking it, it means that you can open the trunk or the top box, which is something new that I recently bought after buying the motorcycle. Has some cool features like light and USB charger, which is over here on the top. And then, yeah, the rest of the motorcycle, really beautifully designed, comfortable ride. One of the best things that I enjoy about this motorcycle is the suspension. Suspension is state of the art, I would say, which you can control electronically when you turn on the motorcycle. And there's a couple of different things that you can customize on the motorcycle. So there's different settings that you can configure, of course, using the smooth control from BMW. So if you go to settings, you have vehicle assists, which allows you to control suspension, cruise control, front collision warning, LCV, HSC Pro. And then you have also options for the vehicle settings like different riding modes: Eco, Rain, Road, Dynamic, Dynamic Pro, Enduro. So if you select the Pro, then you'll have to do configurations. So I didn't do that because I'm not an expert. And then you have like RDC, lights, shift light configuration, and a couple of other settings like alarm and so on. And here you have a quick settings button, so you can use this button over here to like to configure adaptive cruise control, heating, windscreen, damping, ride height, and so on. And then you have cruise control here that you enable like this. I had to look on YouTube actually how to turn this on and use this. Then this one doesn't have a clutch, so here you switch from manual, semi-manual to automatic lights. And then here you have the possibility to switch between different modes, and this is to turn on, turn off the motorcycle, and then this is the starting point. But this option 719 has some cool things like badges here and different parts that are specially configured because of this package. And yeah, I'll try to do a riding review very soon. But yeah, the tires are not the proper ones for off-road. So this one is for road configured, but it was manageable switching to enduro. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And let me know what you think, if I made a good decision switching from the Tracer to this one. But yeah, it's different category motorcycle compared to the Yamaha Tracer that I used to drive, GT Plus 2024. This one is brand new, 2026. So it has just about 1,500 kilometers done on this trip to Albania. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and see you on the next episode. Enjoy the view.